Hey friends, if you wish to properly set the paging file on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for the word performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust appearance and performance of Windows. Now go to advanced, click on change under virtual memory. It says automatically manage the paging file size for all drives, and this is good enough. But if you really want to change it, then uncheck it, select the drive. It says no paging file, click on set. Okay, and then you can set the paging file accordingly, or you can choose the system managed option for it, or you can select any custom size here. But I'll tell you what I do personally. Okay, I will simply check this box, automatically manage the paging size for all drives, and this saves me from a lot of trouble. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.